In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can contact UberEats customer service. You can directly talk to the UberEats customer service in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Safari. It can be any other browser of your own choice. On the search bar, type in UberEats/help. Tap on this website right here, which is the official customer support site of UberEats. On this page, you will have to select your current region to directly contact UberEats for any help or emergency. Let's say you are currently in Poland. Scroll down onto Poland UberEats contacts details, which are just right here. They will reply to you immediately. That's how easy it is to contact UberEats customer service. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.